I'm going to show you some different ways you can do split screen videos using the Instagram Edits app. I'm going to walk you through a variety of different layouts that you're going to want to use for your videos. And I'm going to do all this in under 10 minutes. So let's hit the timer and make sure you've got your phones at the ready. Here we go. Let's start the timer. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to open up the Edits app and I'm going to start a new project. Remember, projects is the third tab along the bottom, the four squares, and I'm going to hit plus. And I'm going to my gallery and I'm just going to pick a variety of different types of videos that I have and that I've put together just to show you and demonstrate. Let's see what we're going to use. We'll use this. And this is me just selecting some stuff. Maybe that one, maybe that one, maybe that one, maybe that one, maybe that one. I've got a few now, which is nice. Maybe that one's a bit too long. What we got here? Maybe that. Don't know. I'm just picking a variety. I'm just picking a variety. So hopefully it will work out as we go through. So here we go. So the reason why this is so important, you've probably seen it before. Oh, yeah, let it load. It's going to load quite a few bits of media, so it might take a second. You might have seen where it has an image on the top and something else playing at the bottom, both at the same time, split kind of vertically or horizontally in different kind of quarters and or different separate spacings out of your videos, or that there's one image or video layered on top of another video image layer. So basically we're going to look at basically layers, but we're going to do that in formatting so you've got split screens. Now it looks like I have tried to add a few too many things in there, so quickly do that again and just do less this time, right? Do less. Do less. And now it's all playing up. Here we go. Come on, gallery. Doesn't like it. Might have to start the app again. We're starting the app again. This is what happens. This is what can happen as we do it in one take. Right, here we go. Let's not do as many this time because I did go a bit crazy and just pick loads of stuff and probably some big videos as well. So let's pick this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Maybe this one, this one, this one. I'm gonna go with the more of the work environment rather than the other environments that we've had in the past. This one might be good. Right, let's go with that and see what we can do. I don't know what it is. I don't know what we're creating really in terms of, I haven't really planned out all the videos that are going to go in, but we've got a variety of videos here to work with over time. And this one seems quite large, so we don't need all of that anyway. So we'll just quickly round that down. Is that the only video? I'm hoping, no, there's a couple of videos in there. Right, so we're just going to put some stuff together and split some screens. So first of all, I'm going to have a look at what I've got to pick from. So I'm going to pick this piece of footage here, this image. I'm going to make that quite large with a nice blue sky there. And then I'm going to split screen it with this one over here. So we're going to go all the way over here and put this here for a second. I'm just going to have a look at the two. Oh, I'll make them larger and look at the two. So two different images, but I kind of want them on the same image at the same time. I want you to be able to see these two images. Remember, we're just using images to start with. So I've moved this one up and I'm now going to put this one above it. So by doing that, I'm going to scroll along and I'm going to find overlay. And then I'm going to move the overlay to that. And then as we can see, now I'm going to move this down a bit because I want it here. I want to see both the skies, which is nice, maybe a little bit higher. And then as you can see, it's a bit too large. I want to cut off a little bit. So I'm now going to scroll along and I'm going to go to crop. Oh no, I'm not going to go to crop. I'm not going to go to crop at all. I'm going to go to mask. And I'm going to click split and I'm going to pick the part that I want to split, which is shutter. So as you can see, I don't want that bit of shadow in there. I want it to kind of, it'll be almost half screen, and I'm going to have those two play at the same time. So they will both last as long as they last, and they'll both play. Now it's that's just two images that we've split there, which is really, it's a nice image if it's really quick and you can show two parts to it. But let's now add some video, and let's add me typing. And oh, that's a nice image as well. And then me, Is there another bit of me working or reading? Here we go. So we're going to have this image and this video. So let's grab this video and move it next to this image. This will do. Now I'm going to want this video static at the top, but I'm going to want the video playing underneath. Okay. So again, I'm going to move my video here, my image here, roughly. And then I'm going to make that overlay. So I'm going to scroll along and make it overlay. And this is all I'm trying to show you is that then I want to crop that image to make it a little bit less. That'll do. And then this image, I'm just going to drag down so you can see me kind of tapping away at the same time. Let's just see if, there we go. And we got a kind of split screen. Oh, we haven't got enough there. We've got a split screen going on here. I'm going to move this up a little bit. So I'm going to move that a little bit higher so you can see. Oh, I don't want the drink in there. So the low one, I'm going to move up a bit. There we go. And then we've got like me reading and having a coffee and me working. So, you know, chill time and work time, graph time, focus time. Okay. And those two kind of will play side by side, one over the top of the other. But you can also add kind of things with different shapes and at different sizes. So all we've done with that is fill the screen. But let's say we want to, let's have a look at what we got left. Okay, I know what I want. I want to add, I'm going to add another image. I think I've got it in here somewhere. Oh no, I don't want that picture of me. I want to go to gallery. I'm going to add another picture of me quickly. How long we got? 3 more minutes. There's a picture of me somewhere. This one, looking pensive. We're going to go with that and we're going to do it like dreaming a bit. Okay, so we're going to try to do a little kind of dream scene like this. So over the top of that, I'm going to play me working away again. I'm going to cut that, I'm going to split, I'm going to borrow that bit, and I'm going to move it over to the edge here. Okay, so I'm going to put that over the top. So first thing I'm going to do is make that overlay again. So overlay, and put that on top of the picture. Let's make the picture nice and long, and add that on over the top. But this time, I want it to be smaller, so as I can see, right? And I could just have that in the corner if I wanted to. As you can see, it's block. But this time I'm going to go back to mask, and this time I'm going to pick the circle mask. And I'm going to expand that, move it up a little bit here so we can have me working. And then we've got a nice like, oh, I think I may change the shape a bit. Quick. There, and then we're going to go back to the circle, back to the mask. Here we go, and circle. We might want to make it, oh, a little bit bigger in some ways. Oh, messing this up now. Mask. Where are we? Here we go. Back to circle. Right, third time's lucky. Third time's a charm. Here we go. Done. And then once we've got that circle, we can make it nice and large, like it's coming out of my head, like I'm thinking about working. But I'm not thinking about working. And you can do this with other different shapes as well. You could do this with square. So if you go back to there and hit if we go back to somewhere else, if we just pop this out, overlay again, and you can layer on top of layer. So then if I get this and overlay this twice, this is going to go onto a third track. So we can then go up here and go, right, then I want this to kick in. This will be square. We'll go with a nice quick crop and a square one for one, and we'll kind of, and we'll keep it there, and then we'll focus this all the way down up in this corner, and then we'll get this one over here, and we'll layer that, but we just want the nice sky in it. So we will use mask, and first of all, we'll move the whole thing down, and then we'll quickly mask a shutter, and we'll bring this down like this. And then you can see you've got multiple layers, all right? I know that it's a bit rough and ready, but for the purpose of this, I wanted to show you, right, we've got one layer over here, and obviously things will start and stop at the different times as well. As you can see, the timeline is at different lengths. So one will go off, and then change, and other things will happen. So you can layer your videos in different ways with different shapes, depending on the story that you're trying to tell. And this is really important in keeping your audience engaged and telling and doing that storytelling. And know you see it loads of time. And obviously at the top, you could just have text. text in a black box or in a white box above, and then some image and video happening in the bottom, and then change and have the video at the top and the text at the bottom. And you want to keep that movement of your footage and keeping the engagement happening, so your audience are kind of curious about what's going to happen next, and you're keeping their attention by moving things around and changing things. Anyway, hope you found that helpful. That's the 10-minute timer. So let me stop that. If you're new here, there's a series, there's loads to check out. Make sure you check out in the description. Leave me comments and suggestions if you want me to cover off anything else to do with Instagram edits. I'm Ray, and I'll be back soon. Until the next one, peace.